What if I told you that one of Samsung's most popular mid-range phones might finally be getting the big software update many people have been waiting for? Yes, I'm talking about the Galaxy A55 and the upcoming One UI 8 beta, which is based on Android 16. Now, here's the situation. Samsung officially confirmed earlier this month that several series phones will be added to the One UI 8 beta program, and interestingly, the Galaxy A55 is one of them. In fact, a One UI 8 beta firmware for the A55 has already been spotted on Samsung's servers, which suggests that the update could be released sooner rather than later. However, the rollout of the beta program hasn't exactly been speedy this time around. To give you some context, the One UI 8 beta started first with the Galaxy S25 series. Then it was slowly extended to the Galaxy S24 lineup, as well as the new foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6. That means Samsung has been prioritizing its latest and most premium devices first. After that, the company is expected to bring the beta to last year's flagships, such as the Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Only then will mid-range devices like the A55 officially enter the picture, but here's where it gets confusing. The Galaxy A56, which is technically newer, more powerful, and more expensive than the A55, has been left out of the eligibility list for the beta. Instead, Samsung has included the Galaxy A36, which launched at the same time the A56, to add. To that, older phones like the Galaxy A54 and the Galaxy A35 are also getting the One UI 8 beta. So it raises the question, why is the A56 missing? Well, the A55 and other mid-range devices are on track to receive it. While Samsung hasn't given an explanation, it could be part of a strategic rollout plan, or it might simply be that the A56 is being saved for the stable release that's expected to kick off next month. Either way, this means that Galaxy A55 users could soon be able to test Android 16 features earlier than many expected, while A56 owners might have to wait a little longer. And if you're wondering what this means in the bigger picture, it shows that Samsung is continuing to push software support even to its mid-range devices, something that wasn't always a priority in the past. For users, this is good news because it gives you a chance to experience the new features before the stable release. Now, the stable rollout of One UI 8 is said to begin as early as next month, so even if your device isn't part of the beta program, you won't be waiting too long. So to wrap this up, if you own a Galaxy A55, keep an eye out for notifications about the One UI 8 beta because the first release could drop soon. If you own the A56, don't worry, you'll still be getting Android 16, just maybe not as early as some of the other mid-range models. What do you think about Samsung's decision to include the A55 but leave out the A56 from the beta program? Does it make sense, or do you think it's a mistake? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this update helpful and subscribe to our channel for more simple and clear breakdowns of all the latest Samsung and Android news.